Guys, every year heart disease it continues to be a silent killer, especially with women as well. But that's why February is Heart Disease Awareness Month, where we take a few minutes to get educated on all things ticker. Helping us with that this morning, Hima Dalal Integrative Health. Thank you for coming in.
Hello.
I love this pretty dress.
Thank you.
You reminded me that you wore this dress back in 2011 when you came on the first time when I was at the Fox station.
Yes.
You look beautiful in it still.
Thank you. Thank you. Good heart health.
Yeah, see? All right, let's go ahead and talk about good heart health. You know, because that's a scary thing when you start messing with heart.
Right. And it's not just about the muscle of the heart, right? Or the inside of the heart. So heart affects your nervous system, it affects your GI system, it affects the way you breathe and the way you function in the life. So it has a lot of impact. So you can treat the cardiovascular endurance, work on the stamina building, do it the right way so you don't overexpand the heart muscles.
Right.
At the same time, you're not grasping for the breath. There are lots of different conditions, COPD and pulmonary conditions, which can also create breathing issue that's going to impact the heart. So when the breathing is an issue, yoga breath, learning how to use all the breathing muscles.
Okay.
Because are you aware that we have 3 different types of breathing muscles?
I did not know that.
So we have abdominal muscles, that's
Okay.
diaphragm muscles, the chest muscles, the cervical muscle. Most of the time when we are doing, we're using the cervical muscles, and
Okay.
that's a very shallow breathing. Like dogs live only what? 15,
Yep.
18 years?
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
they are the shallow breathers, and
Okay.
we are the human being who wants to expand the life, then we need to expand and use all the heart muscles.
Okay.
Anxiety related problems is the biggest, the mental health issues, impacts on the heart. So that's also integrative therapy helps you with your mindfulness meditation, yoga, breathing right, exercising right is also very
Right.
important. People
course.
go so crazy with the exercises that starts lifting so much. Yesterday I was working with a football player, and
Right.
you know how much they lift and push? They'll be doing 600 push-ups with maybe max.
Yeah, gracious.
And things like that. So eventually the heart will expand, or but they're young and they have a
Yeah,
right
ways to go.
stamina,
Generally,
they are
yes,
way.
yes, yes.
But if the older person starts comparing, I'm 40-year-old, I want to stay young, I start doing that, you're gonna see the problems.
Okay.
Even GI tract problems like frequent gas and indigestion also can mimic the heart problem, blood pressure, cholesterol, all this diabetes. We want to stay guarded and keep our heart very strong for that, but cardiovascular endurance building exercise should always be done under supervision. So
that.
they monitor your blood pressure, they monitor your pulse, so everything is happening right.
Love it. And that diabetes, you got to look out for that. All right, Hima Dalal talking about heart health. We'll put links at abccolumbia.com for you to her. Thank you so much. You still
Thank
look
you.
amazing in that red dress, too.
Thank you.
15 years later. And I'm only 17 years old.